How to log into Netflix account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on. So then what you need to do is to log in into your Netflix account. You have to first of all open your Play Store and install the application. And along with that, you also need to make sure that you already have an account so that you can log in. So now once you're done installing the application, and to log in, you simply want to go to the home page, and afterwards you want to tap on a sign in button. So click on the get started button, or just click on the sign in button from the top right and enter in the email address or a mobile number and a password associated with that, and click on the sign in button, and that way you'll be able to log in into your Netflix account. But for some reason, if you're unable to log in, then that means that there is some error, so you have to check that as well. And this is the simplest way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.